This video was uploaded to TikTok to warn others to be aware of their surroundings. The uploader is a mother named JoJo and her son Daniel, who are returning home late one night. They open the front door and go inside. Once they close the door behind them, a man can be seen in the back, walking up to the house. He immediately tries opening the door.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that?
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower, Daniel, was what JoJo and Daniel were arguing, with JoJo telling him to go shower while he says he's too tired. Yet, this doesn't drown out the clear sound of someone grabbing the front door handle only seconds after JoJo had locked it. She looks outside and sees this man. She yells out for him to leave. The man takes one step back but stays in front of the door. He doesn't respond. Rather, he just stands there with a blank expression on his face.
Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
Who is that? Get out of here. Get out of here. There's a guy outside. Look. It's not known where the man came from. It's hard to see with the door blocking the view. Some think he had been following the two all the way back home, while others believe he camped out next to the home, specifically waiting for them to return. Either way, what he planned to do if that door was unlocked is unclear. This Reddit user uploaded this video to the Paranormal section. He stated that his Ring camera sent him a motion alert, and apparently, something was seen walking in front of his driveway which didn't seem right. Some say they can see ghost people walking down his driveway. What do you think? Ghosts or a video edit? In the middle of the night, this man's doorbell camera captures a mysterious, transparent-looking, fuzzy figure moving slowly down the sidewalk across the street. It looks like it could be a human, and that's the common perception. However, the weird part of this is that, after reviewing the footage, the homeowner asked the neighbor, who also had a camera, to check their footage at the same time, and their footage didn't reveal this figure walking down the sidewalk. I wonder what or who it could be. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. This doorbell video was taken around 3 a.m. The homeowner states that he was asleep at the time and only discovered it when he woke up to a notification on his phone. After reviewing the footage, he was shocked to witness the following. the woman is seen attempting different keys to enter the house and even searching for a hidden one. The homeowner, who had never seen her before, reported that she later threw rocks at his car and attempted to tamper with the locks. It's likely she was under the influence of something, as she repeatedly tried to insert keys into the doorbell camera. After a few minutes, she walked away and was never spotted on the property again. This user said that on a Friday night, he saw something rather unusual appear on his doorbell camera. He had a friend over, and they both spent the last couple of hours playing video games. At some point, the young man received a motion alert from his camera. So he opened it on his computer and was considerably freaked out. Take a look.
Yo, what is that? You see that, Mom?
Yeah, I see it.
What the?
The creeper was standing in front of their house. It is unknown what that person wanted and how they got there. The two men were pretty uneasy, and the figure had disappeared seconds after this recording. Was it somebody playing a prank on them, or was it something more nefarious? This video was shared by a man who noticed a creepy intruder in the middle of the night. The camera captured a man ringing the doorbell, then immediately positions himself behind a parked car, crouching down with a knife in his hand. He displays signs of nervousness as he breathes heavily and wipes sweat from his brow. Glancing anxiously between the street and the front door. Another minute goes by, and the owner yells out his window that the police are en route. Most people believe that this confused person was trying to rob the place, maybe attempting to lure the homeowner out at first, and then who knows what could have happened. This woman had just gotten back from walking her dog. Her doorbell camera shows her starting to take off the dog's leash when she looks over to the right, causing her to quickly pick up her dog and go inside. Immediately, we find out why. A man comes into the frame and walks right up to the front door. He tries the handle, but she managed to lock it just in time. The man then starts putting on gloves, and she also mentioned how he was carrying zip ties. He looks into the house and tries the door handle several more times within the next few minutes. Eventually, her neighbor comes outside, so the man picks up a nearby garden hose and acts like he's doing yard work. Once the neighbor left, the man walks around to the back door.
Camera recording.
He tries forcing the back door open, to which the homeowner locked herself in a room and called the police. In the time it took them to arrive, the man tried breaking in almost every window. He broke off the screen to one of the back windows but was unsuccessful at getting inside. By the time the police arrived, he had left. There wasn't much the police could do by that point. The The homeowner ended up posting the video to TikTok in the hopes that someone could recognize the man. As far as I know, no one has.